Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how you can hide your subscribers count on your YouTube channel. Alright, so as you can see I have my subscribers count right here. So I have 18,900 subscribers, and to hide this we need to go to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and choose YouTube Studio. Alright, now go to the left sidebar, go all the way down to this one, settings. Click on that. So this will open up this settings pop-up. In the left sidebar, we're gonna choose this one, channel. And we're gonna choose advanced settings. Now we're gonna go all the way down to this one, subscriber count. So display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So we need to uncheck this one. After that, just go down to this one, click on save. So let's go and have a look. I'm gonna go to the top right corner, click on the profile image, choose your channel. Now you can see that we hide my subscribers count on YouTube. Okay everyone, so this is how you can hide your subscribers on YouTube. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.